Hi everyone. Uh, as you can see in front of you is my new project. It's the Sci-Fi Console Collection. So as you can see, there are 15 console actually here. So they are all coming with the modular pack. So you can see here is the texture set. So as you can see here, on and off. As you can see, all the parts are separated and they are actually the modular parts. You can join them and make the new one. So I actually already made 15 samples, actually 15 console. So this asset is actually very long waited asset actually from me, and this one actually is very good for creating sci-fi scene and indoor sci-fi scene. Okay, like a indoor room and that sort of things. The indoor environment creation and that sort of things. This kind of prop is very good actually. So I made this totally game ready, and I made this as usual for the Unity and for the Unreal. So first of all, this is the first part. You are seeing it from the Substance Painter, and later on is the second part is the Unity, and third part is the Unreal. That's the flow actually. So if you look at the color combination, so I just keep the dark gray and the kind of like a reddish color, and you see if you can see, I just use bump a little bit of the normal kind of things, normal push out sort of effects, and you can see the sci-fi screen, and also kind of like a dusty effect. It's not actually quite clean actually, so it's like it's added a extra realism on that. See the monitor part, so it's like, yeah. And see the inside the keyboard or something, you can see the dust in the dust effect in the corner. So yeah, that concludes the first part. That is the Substance Painter, and I will come again with the Unity part, which is the second part, and the third part is the Unreal. So keep watching and keep supporting me. Thank you very much. Hi everyone. Uh, as you can see here, this is the second part of the Sci-Fi Console project. So you can see here all the modular parts there. So as you can see here, uh, the console themselves. Okay, so 15 consoles there, as you can see, and here is you will find the parts. Okay, the parts of the console that on by which the console can be made. So there you can see the two body part, and you can see this is the hard disk part and the keyboard. So you can join them, and you can stack them and just make the console. And this is the two side part. Okay, so they are totally game ready, as you can see here, all the monitors there. And as you can see, you always know, whoever following my video, you always know that I come up with some 4K textures. So you can see here all the textures are 4K. By the way, this is Unity HDRP. Okay, Unity HDRP, high definition render. So you can see the 4K resolution there, and also the the modular parts there. Okay, modular parts. It's come up with this part, so you can you can drag and drop the parts and tweak this according to your needs. And then the materials, as you can see here, all the materials are there. So they are all ready with the 4K combination. And finally, you have the prefabs. So you have the parts and okay. The prefabs, you have the 15 console set. Okay, just like you can drag and drop. You can drag and drop in your scene like this and position it somewhere. Okay, something like that, something like that. Okay, something like that. Okay, and you see the texture looking quite perfect. I mean the dust on the screen, and you can see the shyness effect on the screen. Okay, and they are looking quite okay. Okay, and you see the dust effects on the edges. Okay, and also the bump effect, you can see. So everything is working according to the needs actually. So if I go for the maximize view, you can have a look. You can have a better look like this one. You can see. You see the dust effect. The when the light shine, the dust effect on the screen. So you can see here, it's looking quite realistic actually. And you can find this effect on the keyboard also. You can see here the keyboard. So it's looking, it's not a brand new, but it's very, kind of like you see the dust effect on the screen. So it's like it's being used. Okay, so it's like that effect is quite good actually. And on the back side you can see the caution part. So yeah, I give you these 15 examples, but rather than, if you're not satisfied with this 15, you can make your own by combining these parts. You can make it, and you can come up with your own versions, no problem. So that's a little bit of freedom actually. So and that concludes the part 2. By the way, the part 2 of the of this project, which is the Unity. So I think you enjoy this one, and please support my channel, and support my Facebook page. This is Opu Art. I will come again with the third part. So thank you very much. Hello everyone. So this is the part 3 of the Sci-Fi Console Collection project. So as you can see, like the Unity, this has also come up with the materials and also the textures, most important parts, and also the FBX of the console. So I just put the mannequin here for the size comparison. If you go for the maximize view here, you can see here that this is the actual size, and you can see the textures or materials working properly. Okay, functioning quite well. All the effects, I mean the screen dust effects, and the yeah, you can see here, and also the emissive is working quite well. So we can see this is the actual size. This should be the actual size. And if I go for the wireframe view, so it's like you can have this one, like let's say let's say I go for, I'll show you the wireframe. So like advanced and the okay, mesh edge. If you click on that, you can find here the edge is quite minimum actually, is quite optimized actually. uh, you can see here. Okay, so this is not a, even the keyboards are quite minimum, that is not that is quite acceptable. You can see here. Okay, so this is like the wireframe condition. So yeah, let me off the edge. Okay, mesh edge. Okay, like that. Okay, so everything is quite working well, and I use a kind of little bit of post processing for extra depth or bloom effect and all that, tweaking light a bit. Okay, so that's it. I think that concludes the part. So I think you enjoy this one, and if you have any questions, just direct ask me, and please follow my page, my Opu Art, which is my Facebook page and also the YouTube channel. So you can follow this one. I will and subscribe this one. And if you need this asset, you can DM me, and you can go to my asset store, and you can also direct command me that you need this one. I will be happy to share this asset with you. Thank you very much. I will come again with a new project. Thank you. Till then, bye and keep safe.